everyone, thanks for joining us today. I'm Cindy Ann and this is my Great Dane Loki. Today we're going to be doing a version of Tabouli salad, which is a parsley salad with cracked wheat. I fell in love with this salad when I was a waitress at Sultan's Middle Eastern restaurant in Detroit, Michigan. And I have just been a fan of Middle Eastern food ever since. So let's head to the kitchen so I can show you how to make this yummy Tabouli salad. Actually, my version of Tabouli salad. Okay, in order to make traditional Tabouli, you need cracked wheat. Generally fine cracked wheat is used, but I only can get access to medium regularly at my store, so I've been using medium cracked wheat for a long time. The first thing you do though is cook it according to the directions, which is just boiling water on the amount of cracked wheat that you're going to be using. And then once I did that, I put it in a strainer and I use the back of a spoon to push out all of the liquid because I don't want my salad to taste watered down. I want it to absorb the dressing flavors. The other thing we're going to need for Tabouli is mint. If you have a garden and you have fresh mint, that is ideal, but I did not plant mint this year. So in my store, this is the easiest way to get mint, is in these little type of pouches. Most of the time though, they're not very fresh and the leaves don't look all that great. So here's a little trick for you, is to come home, put your mint in icy cold water and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, more if you have time. It crisps it right back up, so the leaves absorb the water again and then you have much nicer mint to work with. So that's what I did with my mint. And then today for this salad, we're going to be needing about 3 cups of chopped parsley. So I've already washed my parsley, so let's get started. In the fridge, your Tabouli is ready to be eaten. It's better for it to sit in the fridge for a little while just because the cracked wheat then absorbs all the flavors of the dressing. So traditionally Tabouli is served with pita bread and hummus, and this is my homemade hummus with chipotle peppers in it, so it's a little bit on the spicy side. But with lettuce leaves, it's really good too, because basically you can just make a wrap with hummus as your foundation and stuff it with tabouli. And this is one of my favorite ways to eat it. So note to anybody that hasn't had tabouli before, if you're going to eat tabouli in public, make sure you have a toothpick afterwards. So eating parsley like this, it is definitely one of those foods that has a tendency to stick in your teeth after you eat it. But it's so good and it's well worth it. I couldn't wait to make this today because I haven't made tabouli at home in a long time and I was craving it, so therefore that was why I made an episode of it. So of course you can buy store-bought hummus or just make it yourself. It's so easy. I'll put the directions to how to make my hummus down below. It's pretty much like a traditional hummus. I just put some canned chipotle peppers in there and make it a little bit spicy and blend it that way. So there you have it. Another new fun salad, if you've never tried it before, for the new year. So my New Year's resolution, since I already eat really healthy, is to have a new hairdo. So next week, check back. I'm getting my hair cut. We'll see how that goes. This is definitely another party for my taste buds. You want some tabouli? I don't know if you'd like this, honey. I know you like your carrots, but do you like lettuce? It's pretty bland. Want lettuce? Yeah, no. So after I finish my lunch here, I'm on my way to donating blood. If you've never donated blood before, now is a great time to consider. Because of COVID, they've had a lot of blood drives had to be canceled, but yet there's still a shortage of blood. So consider that a New Year's resolution to try to find time in your busy schedule to donate blood at least once this year. So I hope you have a healthy and happy New Year.